Hey sis, how you doing? I hope today you're feeling blessed and not stressed. My name is Vivienne-Karlene, and I am so glad you are here, sis. If this is your first time hanging out with our awesome handbag loving community, well, welcome. But sis, if you're not new to this, but you true to this, welcome back, girl. It's been a minute. It has been a minute since I've shared an uploaded video in the closet, but sis, I've been in the garden for the past few weeks and getting things ready for spring. So thank you for your patience. Now, do you remember a few days ago when I posted in the community board about the Tiffany and Fred of Paris bags? Do you remember? If not, go back and check that post. But I asked you in part 2 to help me choose the next color from this brand that I want to add to my collection, and you chose right. For all of those who said green, girl, you know me, you know me, you know me. Sis, this bag is giving Chanel vibes. Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Can we zoom in? And I love how they added the floral detail. The stitching on this is gorgeous. It comes with a cute little dust bag, so thank you, Tiffany and Fred Paris. And it was well packaged, well stuffed. I have no complaints. And when I tell you that the leather smells so good, thank you also for having the branding of the bag inside. You know, it's not all the time that I want everyone to know what kind of bag I'm carrying, and this is so discreet, and it's just so luxurious. I love it. There's a small pocket, zip pocket on the inside, has ample space. I'm going to go ahead and put the measurements here for the interior space at the bottom of the screen so you can check it out. They have the same idea as Fashion File does when it comes to keeping their bags. They have this tag, and you know what? If you want the bag, you can pop the tag. But if you pop the tag, you cannot return the bag. And so I'm going to pop the tag. This chain is really nice and substantial, girl. It took me forever to take the plastic off. Hold on. Let me go ahead and take this plastic off. So now that the plastic is off, sis, this is how the bag looks. The chain feels substantial. It's not too heavy. It feels well made. Of course, I was flinging it around because I just want to make sure that, it can take the tussle a day to day. I was just getting a feel for the bag. Off camera, I tried it on crossbody, but I won't rock it like that because I'm not a fan of how it falls against my body. It's just a preference. But I tell you this, I will definitely rock this bag on the shoulder. Oh, on the shoulder. It's like the perfect drop, the perfect size. It's comfortable underneath the arm. And can we just get into the quality of the stitching? Sis, I know that you love stitching just as much as I do. It's one of those things that will sell me on a bag real quick. And when I just started looking at this bag close up, I fell in love. I was like, oh yes, she is definitely a keeper. So I'm going to pop this tag off and I'm going to rock this bag. I cannot wait to put some of my goodies in this bag. Well, I don't know where I'm going. I don't know where I'm going. But when I rock this bag, she needs to be rocked with a denim outfit of some sort. She needs to be that girl. You know what I'm saying? It's really giving me Chanel vibes, right? It's really giving me Chanel vibes. Oh, wait. I didn't even tell you how much she costs. Sis, come closer. Come closer. Tell me why this cutie cost $129. Yes, I said it. $129. That's the only little thing that kind of irked me, that little stitch right there. But it's okay. It's okay. She's forgivable. She's forgivable on that back flap, that little extra stitch. I guess that's, factory thing. Anyway, I forgive you because for $129 and you're giving me Chanel, oh, it's a win. It is a win. Sis, if you are feeling this bag as much as I do, please comment below and let me know that you would rock this because all I'm seeing is Chanel. In fact, I'm going to name this video the $129 Chanel. I sure am. Yes, man. Well, comment below. Let me know what you think. And sis, I will see you in the next video because I am waiting for the rest of my bags to arrive. Bye, sis, and thank you for watching.